AC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, another nice cool one tonight. Enjoy it because tomorrow night it's going to be milder and we're not going to see 40s and 50s for quite a while, at least over the next week to 10 days. But cooler weather still may be in the mix as we get into April, but not as cool as what we've seen over the past few days. Now, big picture as we look across the lower 48 and portions of the western hemisphere, and all the big weathers on the west coast and into the intermountain areas of the west. We got one storm system, big atmospheric river pouring into California, producing heavy rainfalls of anywhere from about an inch around LA up to about 10 inches as you get into the hills, and big snows across the high Rockies and the Sierra Nevada. And then more energy back to the west. This is actually our next weather system. It gets here next Wednesday, Thursday. That's going to be our next big weather maker. Now across California, you can see the heavy rainfall once again, big snows in the Sierra Nevada, and this is good. It recharges the water that is used throughout the year, but can also turn bad if the vegetation gets going through the spring and then you get dry weather. Then you have the big wildfire problems. Always something over there on the west coast. Meanwhile, locally for us, it has been nice and quiet. Just a few high-level cirrus clouds streaming from the northwest to the southeast. We'll probably see more of those high clouds tomorrow, especially late in the day, but by and large, another mostly sunny day as high pressure is in charge, but it's shuttling off to the east. So we're going to see a breeze out of the south-southeast for tomorrow afternoon. Nice and mild and breezy. Milder for tomorrow night, and then it'll be breezy and warm again on Saturday. There's the part of that system that's on the west coast bypassing us off to the north with the frontal boundary not making it down here. We will see more morning clouds, but some afternoon sun going into the weekend. More sunshine Saturday versus Sunday, but still not a bad looking weekend with temperatures upper 70s to lower 80s. Taking a look at the European model and going into early next week, it stays breezy and warm, maybe a pop-up shower or two for Monday and Tuesday, but as we get into Wednesday, we'll be watching the threat of some pretty heavy rains, 3 to 5 inches of rain likely from Texas through the Arklatex up into Tennessee, and this system will be a slow mover, so we'll get our taste of showers and maybe locally heavy thunderstorms as we go into Wednesday night into early Thursday. It gets a little strange thereafter. European model offering a little bit of a different solution, even a low pressure system developing in the Gulf of Mexico, non-tropical, but we'll see how that pans out. But this is going into the weekend for Easter. That could mean a pretty nice Saturday and probably a mostly sunny Easter Sunday, and that's how we have it in the 10-day forecast. So for tonight, upper 40s, northernmost parishes of Acadiana, 47, probably the coolest up toward Bunkie, lower 50s, I-10 corridor, and lower 50s along the coastal parishes right by the water. You're at 63 at Cameron. The same could be said right around the Sycamore Point area as well. Then for tomorrow, after that cool start, we warm up into the mid to upper 70s, and then tomorrow night, lower to mid 60s, so not nearly as cool, and upper 70s to near 80 for your afternoon high for Saturday. Only issue for tomorrow will be the winds. Clock them. Your wind chimes will get going late tomorrow morning, right around 10:30 or so, and it'll be a breezy afternoon. When we have sustained winds 12 to 15, we'll probably see a few gusts to 20 to 25 for tomorrow afternoon. So tonight, not as cool, but still feeling good out there. 51 the low. No need for the AC one more night. Tomorrow, 77 the high. You can get away without the AC as well. I meant the heater for the last graphic. And then as we go down the road, temperatures lower 80s as we go into the weekend. Palm Sunday looks very nice. Clouds, though, early in the day, but sunshine in the afternoon. And then moving into next week, rain chances on the way up. Could be several inches of rain. We'll take a closer look at that tomorrow, but still too early to guess. But an inch to 3 would be a fairly decent guess.